In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel. I'll be demonstrating this on mobile, but these steps also work perfectly on a computer. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Share Profile, and then select Copy Link to copy your Instagram profile URL. Once you've copied the link, close Instagram and open up an internet browser such as Chrome or Safari. Note that this can't be done in the YouTube app. You need to use a browser. In the address bar, type youtube.com and press Enter. Then, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner and sign into your YouTube account if you're not already signed in. After that, tap your profile icon again and select View Channel. From there, click Customize Channel. This will open the YouTube Studio. Tap Continue if prompted. Scroll down the page until you find the Links section. Tap Add Link, and for the link title, type Instagram. Then, paste the Instagram URL you copied earlier into the URL field. When you're done, press Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. Now, if you visit your YouTube channel and go to the About section, you'll see your Instagram link displayed there. And that's it. You've successfully added your Instagram link to your YouTube channel.